Peter Bourjos hits one out to left center field, hit well. Ackley giving chase, still going back at the wall, can't get it. Off the base of the fence, Green will score. Bourjos easily in at third base with an RBI triple. 5-1 Angels.
Boy, that's fun to watch when Bourjos starts cruising around the bases with that speed. When he can go from, once he gets real close to second base, he turns on the afterburner and cruises in easily with a triple. His third triple of the season. Boy, a breaking ball off the bat, thought had a chance to get out of the ballpark. And then saw it off the wall, then turns on that speed. And his ability to cut the corners, so impressive for Bourjos. Slides in with his third triple of the